Are you thinking about learning to ride a motorcycle in 2025? Think again. Riding a motorcycle can be exhilarating, but it comes with significant risks. Here are some reasons why you might reconsider. Number 1, higher fatality rates. Motorcyclists are 24 times more likely to die in a crash compared to car occupants. The lack of protective barriers makes riders more vulnerable to severe injuries and fatalities. Number 2, increased injury risk. Even non-fatal accidents can result in serious injuries. Motorcyclists are more likely to suffer from broken bones, head injuries, and road rash due to the lack of protection. Number 3, visibility issues. Motorcycles are smaller and less visible to other drivers, increasing the risk of accidents. Many motorcycle accidents occur because other drivers fail to see the motorcyclist. Number 4, weather vulnerability. Motorcyclists are more exposed to the elements. Rain, snow, and even strong winds can make riding dangerous and increase the likelihood of accidents. Number 5, skill and experience. Riding a motorcycle requires a higher level of skill and experience compared to driving a car. New riders are particularly at risk if they haven't had sufficient training or practice. Number 6, maintenance and safety gear. Motorcycles require regular maintenance to ensure they are safe to ride. Additionally, investing in high-quality safety gear such as helmets, jackets, gloves, boots, and pants is essential but can be costly. Number 7, limited protection. Unlike cars, motorcycles don't have seat belts, airbags, or a protective frame. This lack of protection increases the risk of severe injuries in the event of an accident. Number 8, road hazards. Motorcycles are more susceptible to road hazards such as potholes, gravel, wet surfaces, and debris. These hazards can cause a motorcycle to lose control more easily than a car. Number 9, fatigue and discomfort. Long rides on a motorcycle can be physically demanding and lead to fatigue. Fatigue can impair a rider's reaction time and decision-making abilities, increasing the risk of accidents. Number 10, higher theft rates. Motorcycles are more prone to theft compared to cars. Their smaller size and higher resale value makes them attractive targets for thieves. While motorcycles offer a unique sense of freedom and adventure, it's crucial to weigh these risks carefully. If you do choose to ride, always prioritize safety by wearing protective gear, taking safety courses, and riding responsibly. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like the video and share it with a friend. You just might save someone's life. And if you're still considering riding a motorcycle in 2025, then watch this video next to learn about how I lost 3 friends on motorcycles in 2024.